Oh, damn. Finally, this is nice. I got some new stuff going on. Crazy. Crazy. I'll tell you guys in a bit. I need to set up the last things. And let's go. And let's go. Ooh, I'm hearing myself. Okay. This is a bit too loud for me. Oop. Nice. Got some cool stuff going on. Yeah. But yeah, first things first, need to do those links. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright. Been a long week. Made some cool stuff. I'll share in a bit. Just a second. Alright. So finally we can start doing the stuff that we're gonna do. Today we're gonna make some models. I need to make this a bit bigger. Can't use the brush tool. Yes, I can. So yeah, been a long week. Finally ordered a new computer. Couldn't wait for that. So last week we made the lockers, and we also made the vending machine. So I think I'm gonna make some post-its and some posters, so we can just like slap them everywhere around. Oh, not slapping the microphone. We're not rotating this, but yeah, some post-its. Post-its. And posters. And maybe in the meantime we're gonna come up with something new to make, and afterwards I'm gonna texture those things as well. So let's just start on that stuff. I'll take this as a reference. I'll just make some more of these guys. Alright. Snap a bit to that. And maybe I could remake the food items actually. Because there's a plate, and that's gonna be with a pancake. And then there's also gonna be the soup. So there's soup and pancakes and waffles. Those are the only foods in school. So it should like make something about that, I think. So alright. There's this stuff. And I'm gonna just make some of these things. Polyplane. Just need a quad. Snap it right there. Rotate this minus 90 degrees. And move it like this somewhat. And up. Alright. Maybe even just a bit more. But this is gonna be like a small kind of sticker thing, I think. So we can put it like here. Or we could even rotate this guy. Put it like this. So in Unity I could like just slap them all around or something like that. That's gonna be real nice. That ASMR stuff. Gotta work on that too. Oh, I hear myself again, but from somewhere else. Alright. And then we also need... I'll make another cube. And this one I'm just gonna snap to the back, and this is gonna serve as a wall of this guy. I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger. Like this. As with models, this looks actually pretty cool. I like this. This is pretty neat. Alright. Another one of these. And this one is also gonna have just one subdivision all over everything. And let's make this minus 90. Just slap it there. And you know what? I'm going to take the face and just drag it a bit like away from the wall so we don't have any Z fighting. That's gonna be neat. Oh, hey Greg! How's it going, man? Long time no see. Alright. So it's gonna be something like this. Maybe we could just... What's up, man? How's it going, dude? How's it going? So today we're gonna make some posters and some stuff. And I think I'm gonna also remake some things. Like the food things that I made before. I think those should be a bit different now. I think it doesn't quite fit with all the stuff, you know? So I guess one like this. Actually, can even leave it like that. And then on this one we can like drop whatever we want to drop. That would be real cool. Could make it maybe just a bit bigger. Playing a bit with that magic staff of mine. Oh, cool. How's that working out? Got some cool progress. I was learning some Unity stuff recently. I think I can show you in a bit what I made. Because eventually I'm gonna have to look at this in Unity as well. So I'm just gonna prepare them as like a stencil or something. So it looks like paper and stuff. So those are the two things that I already made. Could actually give them a new material and give them a Fong, and let's call that Fong MAT posters 01. Alright, and let's just planner map this mapping. Ooh. First things first, I need to straighten this dude out. Instead of 7, this is just gonna be 0. Alright, and now mapping and planner map Z. Yeah, just like that. I guess at this point I'm at basic coloring and substance. Ooh, nice. Do you have any progress? Like, I would like to see that stuff. That would be cool. So where did this one go? What if I want them both to be somewhat close here. Let's do them UVs. Alright. How come you guys are so weird? Oh, no, you didn't. Fucking bullshit. Let me just smooth this. Okay, that's much better. Because both of them are in red. Okay. Let me just flip you dudes. And what if I unfold it now? What? Why is it square? I don't understand why the fuck is it square. These tools don't get me. Yeah, no problem, man. Take your time. I'm gonna be here for a while. I hope these times are okay for you as well. Like to join in and all that kind of stuff. I hope it's not too big of a hustle or something. But I think now, this is gonna be the time when I stream all the time. Like, I don't think I'm gonna change anything right now. Nice, nice, that's good, man. Do you always have time? Because that is really cool if you do. Mirror. Why the fuck can't I? Oh yeah, yeah. Planner map. This guy. Just flip it. That looks legit. I think this could be a bit smaller. Kinda like that. So yeah, I finally ordered a computer. I'm gonna get a computer next week maybe. I don't know. Which date is it? Oh damn. I don't know. Next week maybe or something like that. Nice, man. That's pretty cool. What kind of stuff do you do? Look, do you work during like nighttime more or something like that? Or how does that work? Okay, yeah, that's alright. Now these two guys are okay. And I think what I'm going to do is gonna just put them like this. So most likely this is like somewhat center point. Let's just make this bigger. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just... Should I copy some of them or should I just like make it as a thing in Unity? I'm starting to wonder now. We just add a thing there. Could make some more. Maybe that could be a picture. Oop. No. Make this a bit bigger. And the third one's gonna be just a bit smaller. Alright. And this one, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the one on the wall. I'm just going to take them just a tiny bit away. Just a bit so we avoid Z fighting. Alright. Oop. Come on, let me just... Alright. Because afterwards I can just like move them a bit inwards if I need to or something else, whatever. That's gonna be alright, I think. Alright. Tool, smooth UV, and let's just smooth this a bit. Really? Motherfucker. Just make this smaller. That's pretty okay, I think. At this point I'm between trying to hook up on some job in the industry. Alright, that's pretty cool, man. Nice. That's good stuff. Need to get into things. I hope you go to a lot of like meetings and like all that kind of stuff. If you have the chance, do that for sure. like if you have any kind of like chance of networking. That's like really good. I also try catching that whenever I can. So this seems, yeah, this seems pretty much like a decent size. Just make these a bit bigger, just a bit bigger. I don't think I'm gonna need any more, so I'm just gonna call this M poster 01. Gonna call this M small poster, and this is gonna be M posted. Hey Luav, thanks a lot for joining in, dude. Much appreciated. Posted 01. Alright, that's how it's gonna work. How you doing, man? Thanks a lot for joining in today. Привет. That's funny. Where'd you get that? How did you write those letters? You have a that type of keyboard? That's pretty cool. Alright, so these guys should have the same. I need the attributed editor. They should have the same material, so I can actually change this to whatever. Right? Yep. I'm from Russia. Hello. Hey man. Thanks a lot for joining in, dude. How's your week been? I hope it was productive. Oh guys, I can actually show you something real cool. We have I have the first sketches of the new characters. New sketches. Sabotage documents, character concepts, and these guys. So I think next month or something like that, we're gonna start making these dudes. That's gonna be really cool. I think I'm gonna start with sculpting them. So I'm just gonna sculpt out like the heads and that kind of stuff, and then I'm just gonna retopologize that in Maya or something like that. So this is pretty cool actually. Look at that, like he has a lollipop here. So he's not like, so it looks kind of like a cigarette, but he's not really smoking. Rude boys. Yeah, real cool. I really like these, and also this turned out real nice. But there's like 8 more. Hey man, how's it going, dude? Thanks a lot for joining in. Thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. Much appreciated. Like what would I do without you guys? So yeah, like this is what the guy made, and I really like it. It's really cool. It's really cool. Real cool. What do you guys think? I think this is gonna be pretty okay for like for the next thingies. Gonna be legit. Gonna be legit. So I'm just going to go ahead and texture these as well. Today we can do some fast stuff, so I go like real nice through everything. I think that would be a nice idea. Okay. That board looks cool. This? Well, that's not really a board. Which board, though? It's like it's gonna be like a poster thing. More. Like I can make it blue, so it's not like a board. Is it a board? No, it's gonna be like a poster. It's gonna be a poster. Actually, I'm gonna group these as well. I'm gonna call these M posters. All one. Like, I don't know. I think that all of them fit in kind of the same in the same category, and I just renamed them as like a poster, small poster, and like post-it. I don't know. Like just size-wise, like that's how I just renamed them. So let's just like for posters and shit. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. But, well, the thing on the back, not really. I just used it for, like, to represent the wall. Nom, 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 nom. I have a lot of thingies here. Assets, assets, new assets. Environment, props. And I'm gonna call it M. Yeah, we're modeling a lot of props nowadays. Building up all the placeholders and stuff. Today I got 2 in class. Oh, nice. Nice, dude. Like, why? Why a 2? What's up with that? Alright. Need to open Substance Painter. Substance Painter, open! Real cool. Real cool. It was a test, but she didn't said anything about it. Yeah, surprise tests, dude. Life also gives you those. you need to adapt to these things. It's like, you know what my parents said? Like when I was learning how to do like maths, how to do the I don't know what's it's called, like the division, not the division table, the opposite of division, like times, the times table, like 2 times 2 is 4 and all that kind of stuff. Remember that was crazy. I didn't like it a lot. It was pretty bullshit. But what they told me is you need to know your shit. Just like if I would wake you up in the middle of the night, you would know it like this. So with most of the things I approach it like that. Ooh, look what we have here. Ooh wee. So what I'm gonna do is not gonna bake textures. Fuck that noise. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna add opacity to these guys, and I'm going to say that these are gonna be, except the post-its. I don't want the post-its to be like that. You could just say that needs the shader. I always forget that it needs the alpha blending shader. So now you can just roughness for real. I'll make it on and off. But for now I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna lay down the things that I want to lay down. So I want to have like small bits here. Little bits. Dude, look at your camera. The light behind looks like you're wizard. You're wizard now. Reference. Dude, what the fuck? Yeah, for real. It looks like a wizard hat. I never noticed that, and you know, it's real funny. That's cool. If you want me to close that, just let me know. If the camera of my face or something is not nice, or you don't want to see my face at all, you just want to hear me talk, I'm cool with that too. Just let me move this a bit closer. My Jerry. Can you hear that? I bet you can hear those noises. My little Jerry. My little Jerry. But okay. What the fuck? I'm gonna do a black mask. Do I need to do a black mask on this? Not really. That's gonna be just our base layer for opacity. I'll just turn it off for now. And here I'm going to say this is gonna be our paper. How the paper looks like. No face cam. No, man. Just gonna talk like this and not have a video cam. How would that feel? Fucking rapist channel. Weird. So what I need is to I'm gonna do just one, and I need to find a square brush. I got lost with talking. Brushes. Actually, just turn off the alpha and go to the F2, F3. F1 is going to be the best. What's the task? The task is to create a mask. The task is to create a mask for for these guys. So I want to have like an alpha around it. Wasserbaiter watches, man. Oh, dude, thanks a lot for joining in as well. So there's gonna be like sticky tape around them. So imagine like how you put a poster and they put like sticky tape on all four sides, so it sticks there. And with the small one, I want to do just like two, or also maybe 4. Let's see how that works out. So first things first, I want to set the area where the paper is going to be. So I'm going to do that now. So I have the white color, and let's do from here. I can do control like that. But this is pretty hard to see, so I'm going to just change the color to a red one. So that's going to be nicer. So I'm just going to paint in this area where the paper material is going to be. In a way. Well, not in a way, but like literally actually paint in the paper. So afterwards we can just put some, whatever kind of picture we desire. I need to zoom out a bit. And do that like from a closer distance. Like it's hard to. I can make this bigger. Why didn't I think about this before? And I'm just going to do a close one here. Kind of like this. Oh wow. Cool. My phone blew up again. Twitter's crazy. So this is gonna be our poster area. So this is our material for the poster. I can just change whatever I want to have. Whatever this can be. Change all the colors. I think I can hear the music louder than you guys, right? I don't know. If that's not loud enough, let me know. I'll try taking care of that. So in this case, I would like to have, maybe there's some cool filters, like brushes, project effects, maybe no. I remember there was tools, blur, no I don't need blur, none of them, dude. But thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. Means a lot to me. I can make some cool stuff today. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is zoom in here, and I'm going to rotate this guy 45 degrees. I'm gonna make it mucho smaller. Maybe it would need to be a bit bigger. Send you a pic of lockers on Messenger. Oh, dude. Thank you. I'll check it out later. I hope you remember how they look like from the last stream. So actually, it would be cool. Like, this is okay, I think, right? What do you guys think? If this is like kind of rough. It's like a sticker kind of thing. You know, like that it's stuck to the thingy. What do you guys think about this? Or should I just do like a small thumbnail here? I could do this. Let's make them like yellow. Yellow. And in this one, I'm just gonna make the default soft one. I'm gonna make it kind of like this. Give it a bit of a height, so it looks like it's pinned to the wall, but then in a smaller way. I think that looks inwards and that looks outwards. Cool. Yeah, but I think the sticky tape works better, I think. So let's just put some more of this stuff. I'm gonna remove the alpha again and rotate this baby. Just need 45 degrees. Okay, let's zoom in on this baby. Wow. Like that. Alright, and also at the bottom here. Let's do that. And put one there. Actually, could be a bit like higher, somewhere like here. Alright, that works out nice. So something like this, what do you guys think? Could even rotate these guys, or whatever. And the small one could also have something like that. Could even make these a bit thinner, maybe. Let's go change the color. Like this. Thanks. Yeah, I also think it's gonna be nice. Just a bit smaller. Alright. And now we could, what we could also do with these thingies is we could give this somewhat of a, like a height. So it's like a little bit off the thingy. And also could give it opacity, just a bit of opacity. But what does this need to do? This needs to overlay that. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, opacity. And if in opacity I'm gonna do overlay. Ooh. What's this? What's this now? I can't even see it. Multiply. Let's just try checking out these. Or maybe linear dodge. Linear dodge. That looks exactly like sticky tape. Wow. A little bit less opacity. Maybe something like this. How does sticky tape look? How does sticky tape look like? What the fuck? Sticky tape in real life. Yeah, that's pretty okay. I think I guessed it. What is this? What is this? Mucho messages. Neat. Neat. All right. And now I could give this paper thing. Like, I don't think I'm gonna use these ever. Could add some, like, maybe. It's still a texture, right? So it doesn't really matter if I add anything there. So let me just let's do, fuck it, I've always wanted to see it like that. Alright, how does that look like? Okay, let me cut this out. You know, I use something like gum for my posters at the back and put them on the wall. Yeah, that's true. I also use that for some of mine. But in this case, I think it would be nice to have something more like this. Like it just looks like it has a bit more depth. Just cut these pieces out. Alright. Like it's ripped off or some shit. Oop. This needs to be just a bit deeper. Let's just do that. Not so deep. Just a little bit. Kinda like that. Actually, just a bit more, I think, and enough. Like that. That looks a bit better. Just a bit. Not too much. Alright. And then also these things. Here's how it looks for now. Oh, the staff. Dude. Oh, dude. Nice. Just a second. Let me look. Let me look at the other pictures as well. I like the wood. Also, the string looks real nice. What did you render this with? Oh, this is straight from Substance, right? Straight from Substance. Yeah, I could tell because of the background. But nice work, dude. What are the next steps? What are you gonna do more? So far, so good. Nice, nice, dude. I like it. Yeah, Substance viewport, nice. I noticed. So this is gonna be like, I think this pretty much looks like sticky tape. Maybe I could just like use a little bit more opacity or something, and do it more like white, not white, but like yellowish in a way. There's this bullshit yellow flavor, bullshit yellow flavor, and this could be multiplied. Oh, dude, this actually looks pretty neat. I like this. What do you guys think? And then instead of this weirdo base color. Nice. Well, I'm thinking of some glowing runes in some few places. Yeah, that would be really cool. That would be real nice. On the golden ring and stuff like that. I'm gonna be legit. Can't wait to see the final one. Especially if you'd render that in Marmoset and you have like a little bit of what was it called? Parallax? Like I can't remember the name. A displacement shader. That would be like crazy dope. Especially on the thingies you have around there, the yellow ropes. That would look sexy as fuck, I think. Dude, an idea popped in my head. So what if the poster is some shit like Rick and Morty, but with sabotage high characters? Oh, that's pretty crazy, dude. Maybe we can do that. Eventually, we'll see. I don't know, I don't want to like run into any copyright shit, dude. But could make like references to certain things, yeah, that's for sure. Thanks for that idea. I like that. Could actually do so much things with that. Look at this shit. Oh my god. What is this bullshit opacity? It's like one piece of paper. So what I want to do with this guy is I'm gonna 90 degree this. I'll flip this. So this should be 0. But yeah. Yeah, also along the wood shaft. Dude, that's gonna look really cool, I think. Yeah. Have some nice bloom afterwards on the crystal, make that glow as well, maybe add some cracks in it, and that sort of thing. Shit, that would look real dope. Yeah. Yeah, that would look real nice. And why is this not with color? Let's take away this pleat. I don't want it to be so much, and I don't want these creases so much, and I don't want no opacity. You what? Channels mapping opacity. I don't want no opacity on this one. Diffuse. So fuck you. Gonna have to group this baby. Add some more of this stuff. Add a group, and I'm gonna copy this mask and copy it on top of this group. I'm gonna drop these two babies in. Pow. There we go. And now this doesn't even need a mask. Clear mask. I don't need a mask. Remove mask. Yeah. So now we can go and check in some more advanced parameters. No, Rick and Morty won't be in the... Yeah, I know what you meant. Like, just teacher and student or something like that that represent the show and stuff like that. Yeah, maybe we could do that. For now, I haven't thought about these kind of things yet. Like, we're doing some other stuff. But those are good ideas. I like that, man. Here's a high five for that. I appreciate that. Oh, by the way, you know what has happened? I got a notification that now we can become Twitch affiliates. So that means that we can make subscribes on this channel and that sort of thing. And that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that to happen. I don't know. Well, it's not that hard to get into that, I guess, but it's pretty cool that that happened. So I'm gonna try adding some more cool things, and maybe we're gonna run that kind of stuff. That would be pretty cool. That means that we could make some money out of this as well, eventually at some point. That would be nice. So that would mean more cool streams. Yeah, exactly. Like, thanks a lot for all you guys being here. That's like, oh, you guys managed to make that happen. Like, I mean, thanks a lot for that. That's really amazing. Like, that all of you guys are always here and just checking out what we do. That's amazing. Not that like subscribing should be like a crazy ass thing here, like because you're gonna get all of the stream stuff that you want without even paying or anything. Like, if you just get the game eventually when it's out, that even means more than just subscribing to this, I guess. Because it's more about the games that we make, not like this stuff. Not this stuff, you know. I'm gonna leave it somewhat like this. What's that age? Disgusting stuff. What I would like to do though, there's the disgusting height a bit that I don't kind of like. I'm gonna make this a bit darker. What if I actually have some cool posters? I actually have some cool posters made by actually a person who's watching us now. I'll share that on Facebook as well. I can actually show what kind of stuff she also does. But let me first find those things. It's on a hard drive. Just a second. I got a hard drive. Is it working? It's working. It's working. It's working. Is it working? Okay, nice. Nice. Thanks a lot for all you guys holding on there. I really appreciate that. I'm sorry about that. I have a flimsy thingy where in my laptop this whole thing goes in. So that's one more good reason to get a new PC, which is gonna come next week, hopefully. I think I'm gonna do a stream on that as well, so I can show you guys what kind of stuff we do, what kind of stuff I'm gonna do, what kind of hardware I get as well. Like, so I'm gonna drop this inside of here, and this is gonna be a texture, and this is gonna be just for this current project. Import that stuff. So what I'm gonna do with this guy is I'm gonna drop a new layer here. Not a layer, but a fill layer. And inside of this fill layer, I'm gonna set the base color to this thing. Ooh. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. That looks cool. Let's see how we can manage to do this thingy. Let's do a small offset. Not so big. Like this. What are we cooking today? And now I can see how much this sucks. I'm gonna have to change it just a bit so it like adapts to the whole thing a bit better. Like some kind of divide. No, not a divide. More like an overlay. So it also has a bit of that scotch color, you know? But this thing also needs to be a bit... Alright. 1.5. How much does that look like? And now I'm going to stretch this out a bit in this direction as well. So what do you guys think about this kind of stuff? This jazz is pretty okay, I think, right? And I'm not going to repeat this stuff, because then I can't see how much this is. Alright. Like, let's do 45. 7. Really? Okay, then let's do 4. Oh, even less. Alright. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Oh, everything's okay. Everything's working. People already, what's up? I hope that was the thing. Alright. And now I'm going to stretch this a bit in this position as well. 0. Or I wish I could just... Actually, I can do that. Just slap it on there. I think I can do that as well. If I would just do a layer. And in the base color, drop this guy. And do a... Yeah, now in the base color. But it's also stretched out. That's kind of weird. Oh yeah, because you need to drop it on a texture like that. Fuck this. This is already okay. But I just need to align it a bit. 0.1. Now it's stretched. But let's do 25. We can actually align this real nice, I think. Kind of like this. And we can do 0.5 even, I think. Or, ooh-wee. 1.5. 1.1. 1.2. Yeah. And move it in this direction, like 0.1. Okay. Minus 0.2. Yeah, kind of like this. So what do you guys think about this? I think this looks pretty legit. And to give credits, this is the person that helps me out with all the graphics now and all kinds of cool stuff for the channel and that kind of things. Not for everything. Like there's other people that help me out as well. But yeah, she made the poster, and she's working on some other cool things that I'm gonna show during this month. So stay tuned. It's gonna be real cool. So this is one of the posters. I'm just gonna leave it like this now, because now I can just just use the same template and just do whatever the fuck I want with the posters in a way. And I didn't even need this layer, but for this layer, let's do just a bit more rough. So what do you guys think about this? Pretty cool, right? Anyone wants a poster like this in real life? Here, you mean? Yeah, a little bit, perhaps. Like it could be a bit more up, but as a test, this works perfect. At least for now. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's pretty okay, I think, right? And you know what? I can even already test this out. I'm gonna export these textures. Let's see where this goes. I'm gonna go to sabotage. Sabotage. New assets. Environment, props, textures. I'm gonna select this here. And Unity standard metallic. And export that. And let's open Unity. So finally we've upgraded to 2017, which is a blessing. Soon I'm gonna be able to make some real cool clips. I'll show you guys that as well. I hope it's gonna be real cool. So export finished, open the folder. Alright, that's nice. I also need to save as I'm talking to you, Greg. I'm sorry, but you're a savior for me. Posters, 01. So it's like, I remember that you said save so many times that I remember that now. Like, sometimes at least, mostly. Ooh, cool, what's that? Oh, for the lockers. That's pretty cool, man. I'm gonna try that out. Masterplay sent me some cool stuff. But thanks, Greg. I appreciate that a lot. So we're not gonna have these kind of problems that it asks me to hold on forever. Oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to see that computer. The streams are gonna be so much faster. Like at least all the stuff that I'm making is just gonna open stuff faster. Like just bam. Hopefully. Hopefully. We'll see in a week or so. So let me just adjust this a little bit, maybe the color as well. Something like And I want that stuff. Master Yolokin. Why Master Yolokin? What kind of other nicknames you had? Like, you had some other stuff that you had before. Why is this not specular? Oh, it is. But it just doesn't have that much specularity there. Alright. So this guy opened. Oh, as you can see, I already put these in Unity. I wanted to test that out. But I need wall. I need a wall. M wall corner, M wall straight. Is that a prefab? That's a prefab right there. And if I rotate this 90 degrees, duplicate that, and I'm gonna snap another one here, and let's get this old lady out away from this spot. So let's check out how this works. We need to build a wall. No, we don't. We need to take them away as much as possible, dude. What the fuck? New pipeline, don't use yet. Shh. Don't tell me that I'm using this. Sometimes I do certain dumb things here that I should not do, I think. Just saying that I fuck some shit up sometimes. Locker, there's already a locker. It's just the posters. Posters. Alright. So, and what I'm gonna do is just drop the poster in there. But what I need to do as well is the model has scale. So now we can just remove these guys. Drop them in again. Why are they rotated like that? Did I really make them the other way around? Are these rotated as well? Tell me you're not rotated. Yeah, they are. Everything's rotated. Alright, so let's check it out. I'm gonna see the materials, and I'm gonna drop those textures in here as well. Let's see how this looks like. But yeah, no building walls, dude. I'm sorry, but nah. I'm gonna make that white. How does that look like? Pretty cool, right? So let's do a standard, but I need a cutout or a fade. Let's fade. Yeah, boy. That's just no. I don't know, I think it looks perfect, right? Can even just rotate this like that. Looks like a poster, right? Looks pretty legit. Let me just... Oh, 90 degrees. Shout out. Make your Facebook be on the top. Yeah, of course, man. Like, you need to support the people that support you in a way. Well, I also give a shout out to all the other people that that make cool stuff. Because I appreciate what they do, like. And that's real cool. I also need to add the rest of the things here. I'm already starting to play with this. Really? I'm gonna fix that. This looks like shit here. This the pleat thingy, whatever that is. I'm gonna remove that. That's for sure. Because here, well, here you can't notice it that much, but it's still a little female dog. I'm gonna remove it as much as I can, just a little bit maybe. And the creases I like. The creases look legit. Like it gives some depth to the picture. What if I move this? Yeah, like this. So let's save this and let's test this out. For now it doesn't matter too much, but I guess you should make 1 or 2 more texture setups for locker doors so they don't repeat in close proximity. Yeah, exactly. That's actually my task after the stream. I'm gonna texture that guy again and again. Because what just our Mr. Master Yolokin sent me, this guy, is this kind of stuff. So I guess like all kinds of different fronts of the thingy, of the doors. So yeah, like because also what I noticed, I kind of skipped that, is these edges here. So they kind of I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be a bit different, just a bit different. The inside is nice, like this worked out good, kind of, but I'm gonna take away that a bit. I want to make it more subtle. But yeah, let's try out these guys' textures again. So those have exported. Did it export? Of course no, not yet. Control E. Let's export that. All right. Check that normal map. Yep, that looks much better. All right, and I'm gonna open this in the Explorer. So we keep the meta files. I always do this kind of stuff in Explorer because it's just better in a way. You just replace the source file and not anything else. The cafeteria lady looks like my math teacher. So good job. That's, well, I don't know. That kind of wasn't the point, but in a way it was. So this is nice, I think. Now this middle part looks like bullshit. I don't like that. That does not look good. And that's just because of this thing. I'm gonna remove that at all. Like, don't need that bleed. Bleat. Bleat. What does that mean? Like half-baked, please? Did it export? It didn't export anything. Alright. Control C. Control V. Let's open that Unity. It's still kind of there. But what I like is, though, the small detail here on the that this stuff is at least nice. Looks legit. I like that. That's gonna be real nice. So you can put them in very different kind of ways. I think I could even make a substance for this to change these thingies here. But alright, I'm gonna leave it like this. And also from like any kind of distance that I like, kind of I look, it's pretty okay. What are we cooking today? I like that actually. Huh, I'm gonna take a screenshot real quick. Nice. I'm gonna post that. Can I? Oh, that's no. Don't take a video. Just take a picture. All right. That's a picture right there. All right. So now the small one. First I'll start with this one, with the smallest one, and right now what I also need to do is I'm going to put these together in one folder. Call it poster, and make a new one. I'm gonna give it a fill layer. And give it a black mask. And select just these UVs. So that's nice. That worked out pretty well. I'm gonna put it in the folder, and I'm gonna call this folder post it. And for this guy, I also need the... Can I just duplicate this? Yeah, I can duplicate that. Gonna copy this mask on top of the posted group. So, what I need to do with this guy here, I would like a small, kind of not like a dent, but the pleat would be nice to be there, and without any creases, just the pleat stuff. In this case, I like it. I think, at least. Let me just check it out. Needs to be just a tiny bit bigger. Okay, let's go a bit up. Now a bit to the side. Even bigger. So let's do 0.5. That's gonna be alright, I think. Alright. Now let's do 0.22. No? Like 18. No, I need it to be lower. So let's say 3. Yeah, this kind of thing I want there. 5. Just 2 then. Let's do a 0 there. Kind of like this. I think this would be real nice. But then I need also a... This just a tiny bit less perhaps. And also another fill layer. So this can be at the bottom actually. At the bottom of the whole thing. And this is just gonna give the roughness. Roughness for the paper stuff. And actually some height as well. Could I just blend this in a different way? Maybe a multiply. So it's like a bit less, just a little bit less. And the pleat, I could do that a bit more, so we can see it a bit better. Yeah, this actually looks pretty nice. I like that. Alright. Just gonna give it like a little bit of a paper kind of like look. Make it even green. And on top of this, I'm gonna add another fill layer, the black mask, and this is going to be just, let me just take my tablet. So let's make a smiley face. A bigger one. Across the whole thing. I'll do inside of the mask. There we go. Bigger eyes. Like this. Alright. Now it's pretty shiny and that kind of stuff, but let's just Give it like a blue color. Like a deep blue. The roughness could be down. Also the height could be just a tiny bit inwards. This is like a post-it, so we could just slap that everywhere. And here as well I can just put in like any kind of texture. I can write something down on it or whatever, or just like write, let's say, I could actually make multiple of these. That wouldn't even be a big deal. Let's say I would copy this layer, take this like that, and then just on this one go back to the base color, give it a black mask, and say like lunch, or I could say just kick me. And you could stick this on somebody's back. Imagine that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna make that. So what if like you could just stick this to somebody? That would be funny. And then other enemies, like, well, enemies like other bots or AI, just go and smack someone. The person that like this thing is sticking to. That would be pretty cool. So I'm just gonna leave it at kick me. Alright. So we have 2 of these. That's pretty cool. And the last thing that we're gonna make, let's just add a folder. And let's see what else we could do. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Twitter. I hope you can hear that because it's real loud every fucking time. Alright, and for this guy I'm just gonna copy the, actually both of these poster things I think I can just copy to this one, put it in the folder, and I'm gonna call it small. Oh, that looks real cool now. Poster. Looks like a poster outside or some shit like that. Pretty legit. What do you guys think? I think these are gonna be some cool small props. So for this guy, I'm gonna clear that black mask. For this guy, I'm also gonna clear that black mask. And in this case, I'm gonna try giving this I just need to cut that dude. Do it here. So the alpha, can I just, yeah, I have a square. Of course I have a square. That's legit. So let's see how big I can make this. Something like this, I think. Just a bit bigger. So how about that? Nice, thanks, man. Good job to you too. I know it was for the cafeteria lady, but like, that keeps me motivated. Alright, I'm gonna rotate this 45 degrees. Make this mucho smaller. Like this. And let me just... Let me just do like on just 2 sides. Just 2 sides is gonna be okay. And there's a lot. I think I need to delete a bit here at the bottom. But I also don't like this quite that much. So let me just adjust this a tiny bit. And then we can do some more of this. Let's adjust this baby. Need a black color. So you get rid of the mask, right? Cool. What could we add here? I'm sorry guys, my cough is just terrible. Should I add this though? I don't think so. No, I'm gonna add something else. Do you guys have any ideas? What kind of thingy I could add there? I have some more of those graphics actually. So I'm gonna Control Z actually. Oh no. And let me just put this logo in here. Ooh, nice rotation. But just want to make that. So let's just make that nice there. Just want to put the logo in here. Ooh. Like 3.5. Okay. No. 2.5. Let's move this a bit up. This is like slippery as fuck. 15. Ooh. That's nice and precise. Can I rotate this? Let's add just like, let's try centering this. And this is just as a template for now. I can be using this a bit later. So I don't need height, I don't need normals, I don't need opacity on this one, roughness. No, I need roughness. And I'm gonna copy this. Just on top of this, I'm gonna give it a black mask. And actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this guy's color. So let me just copy that there. And now we can go with the white color. Does it do that? Why not? Let me just add a new one then. Black mask. Fuck you, layer. Fuck that layer. This is not a good layer right there. Let me copy that color. And now I should be able to do this. Yeah. What kind of roughness does this one have? Let me copy this. Ooh, unique. Nice code right there. Hey Nick Gerg, how's it going, dude? Not really a business card, but it's more of like posters inside of the game. Kinda like this one. Kinda like this mirror here. Why is it a mirror now? Did I delete it from here? Oh my goodness. Shit. But I can show you real quick. Let's get the posters. Like that. Like that. And like this. I'm making posters like this one today, so we can spread them across the school. Pretty good, man. Finally, I have ordered a computer, which makes me real happy. And just gonna wait for that. And also order, like, not ordered, but updated Unity to a new version now. As well, man, a lot of things are actually going on. I'm not even sure what I can talk about. A lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. Good things are going on. 2. 1.5. So I'm just experimenting with some of the sizes that we could have. But I think like this is kind of okay. At least for now, this is okay. If you guys have any other ideas, I'm open to that. But for now, if no one comes up with anything or with a funny poster thingy, I'm just going to use these now. And save this and export this, guys. So we've been invited to become Twitch affiliates, so we can start like monetizing on this channel, and we could have cool emoticons, like emotions that, like, I think like we can do that then, that are specific for this channel. We could have that kind of stuff. That would be pretty cool. I would like that. I would like to have those. But yeah, I have some cool upgrades in mind. I already am working on that. Gonna be real nice in the month or so. Alright. Oh, this post-it looks fucking legit. Maybe I could make 2 of these. Or more. Like multiple colors and shit. Just on one material. Let me just select the poster stuff. Post it. I'm gonna duplicate that. Move it a bit up. Let's say, yeah. Kick me. That's funny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this edge a bit inwards. Let me just, I think that's gonna give it a bit more depth in a way. Let's just try it out. I'm gonna copy that post-it. I'm gonna move it a bit like next to it, let's say, and another one. And we can actually the same in the UV. Just move these a bit. Alright, I'm gonna export this. So tomorrow we're gonna be making animations again, finally. Oh shit, it's been like 3 weeks or so. Wow. But I have some cool ideas. We're gonna, if you guys have any ideas as well for that, you can let me know. Alright. I'm gonna export this jazz. Posters. Okay. And open these posters now here. Posters. And also I want them in Unity. Please. Where do we have props? I'm gonna open this in Explorer. Posters. I'm gonna go back in my other folder here. Props. Posters. Replace that. And this updated. It already has even those things because it's connected to this stuff. So, and now also I moved the edge so I could actually lay these guys on top of each other like this. So that's gonna look really cool. We actually have more of these. Oh my goodness, we have a lot of these thingies, but without the tape. That's gonna be real cool though. Alright. And this post-it thing, post-it 1, I'm gonna duplicate this. And I'm gonna call it post-it 2. I'm gonna duplicate this and call it post-it 3, right? So, for this guy, I need to press 4, so I can make just this one appear. And what I need to do as well is just copy this mask on top of this post-it 2. Control V. And there we have it. There she blows. And move this a little bit up. Where did it go? No. Control C, that stuff. So I'm just gonna move this tiny bit up. And also this, move just a little bit. Wait. That's not serial. Because this needs to be also there. But it's real high. Yeah, of course. That's alright. Let me just Control V. But the text is very nice. The cabinets need more gloss, like 5-10% I think. Yeah, I also think so. Like, I wanna just iterate the texture a bit. So, if we're gonna be done with these and I'm gonna have some more time, I'm just gonna revisit those dudes again. Because sometimes, yeah, like, it takes some time. Like, for me to finish a model, it takes at least, like, a week. Well, okay. If I do proper research, still a week. Like, it depends on what kind of model. If you want a real good one. Real nice one. Yes. So I'm just gonna move this up. Until we hit that sweet spot. And let's move this a bit as well. Kind of like that. And now I can also just adjust this color, so it would be nice to have like red ones, like a red one. Actually, maybe the red one could be like kick me, and like there could be a green one which is like friendly stuff. That would be nice. Let me just adjust this color then. Yeah, cool. So on the other one, what we're gonna do is just gonna do a black mask. I can delete this layer, and let's just go deeper in this. Let's do 1. Hey, I need another brushes, and I need default hard brush. And now let's do a oh my god, this is really hard. I need to force those proportions. Can I display toggle on the other side? Yeah. And now it's like, it's so weird. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. So we can have this kind of stuff. And let me just adjust this one as well. So we're gonna do 4. Just gonna give it there. And a black mask. And then alright. Then I'm gonna copy this mask on top of this guy. Really? Nothing happens? See? It's all good. Nice. But this dude needs to move a bit up. So we have some more space. And this is gonna be a hall pass. I'm gonna make them like really weird. I'm just like experimenting now. Most likely this is gonna change in a while as well. And make it yellow. So it's either you're gonna give either one of these to a person, I guess. You won't be able to see that. Only you guys are gonna know that now. Eventually people are gonna figure that out as well. And this one needs to go away. And this needs a black mask. And this is going to be just really help. So I'm gonna leave something like nice in here as well. Pass. Hall pass? No, it's a hallway pass, right? Cool. This is gonna be okay. Now I'm gonna export these guys. I think we're gonna have enough time to revisit those lockers. Maybe even do 2 textures. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know. I don't know. Who knows? And now I can replace these materials. Show an explorer. Oh, it even has all of them selected already. Let's go to this stuff. New assets, environments, props, textures. And let's select all 3 of these guys and drop them in here. Cool. I can even put them on top of each other and stuff like that. Even rotate this if I want to. Not in that way, but in this kind of way. Also no. Why? Really? Like that. Duplicate these. Hallway pass? No, fuck that. What the fuck was I thinking? Like the third one is gonna be like a neutral kind of thingy. Like so all of these could affect the characters in some kind of way. What could that be? What could be a neutral message? Shit. Let's make it like I want the brush to be a bit smaller, just a tiny bit smaller. Let's go up. Really? Abandon all hope who enter here. Abandon hope. Or leave while you can. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I'm playing around with this stuff. Turn right, the other right. Oh, dude. Yeah, actually, that would be even better. Turn right. And then if you're gonna flip it, it says turn right the other way around. Nice. That's cool. That's funny. And I'm gonna export these as well. Let's export those dudes. Okay. Open both of these babies so it can just... Ooh. What's that? Don't need this. I don't need this one. Textures. And let's copy these again. Control C, Control V. Yeah. Replace them all. Turn right. Nice. I don't know. I don't know how you guys think about this. Yeah. I've been sick for like a week. The whole week. Even a bit more than a week. That's messed up. But this looks so nice. Only the, yeah, only the fucking, lockers look weird. This looks quite nice. But this pleat here in the middle now, pleat. It didn't have pleat anymore. And I'm gonna call this poster 3. And also they have their respective colors, so that's real nice. Even small poster that also has a thingy. That's cool. Alright. So this guy right here, this detail could go a little... Wow. What you doing? No, nothing. Just scrolling textures. Like this. Let's export this now. I hear your voice. Yeah, right. Every time around this, every time about this year, every time around this, every year around this time, I get this kind of sickness, like my throat just messes up. It's a bit fucked up, dude. I dislike it, but what can I do? What can I do? Can't really do nothing. Just go through it. Go through with it. Like that's the only way. Push through. Don't give a shit. All right. So these guys are done. Only thing I could do, stretch this a bit. I don't like how it's stretched here. Let's do it's here. But that's the scale. I need to just adjust the scale. Adjust the scale, yeah. Okay, kind of like this. Let's move it up. Just... Oh. Now it starts working out. This is a bit nicer. Let's just remove this black mask from here. Let's do white. Okay. No white. No white color for you, yes? And interactive. Something like that. This is much better, I think. So thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. Like, even though I'm sick, like, still, I'm gonna be streaming twice a week now. Twice a week seems pretty okay. I think we can manage to do a lot more stuff than before, and yeah, I also feel nicer about doing this kind of stuff now. Yeah. But I'm gonna save this stuff, and I'm gonna open recent files, and locker. While that opens, I can take care of the Twitter stuff. Alright. Eat blueberries, it's good for your neck. Oh, really? That's cool, dude. Thanks for that. I'm gonna try that out. That's for sure. Alright, the painted metal. I like this part. This is pretty okay. Grunge. Inside color. And this is where I did all this damage. And this is also the thing. The thing. The thing which did all of this stuff. So I'm going to just take a bit away from this edge masking. I can mask those edges as well. The dirt contrast is going to be... The dirt level could be just a tiny bit less. And then the paint layer. Okay, with the paint layer gave that back here. So that's kind of okay. This seems a bit better now. So just the edges here are like that. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take this scratches brush and just scratch off some of this edges here. These edges. Is that's here. Yeah. So let me just grab that brush. And let's see how this goes. Can I? That was interesting. The control key was stuck. Hey, Zan. Zan? Yeah. How's it going? Where are you from? Where are you from? Actually, I need to take this away, so I need like a black. Really? Come on. Seems everybody uses Substance Painter. Well, I must admit, yeah. At least I use it. I use it all the time. I love it. It's a good thingy. Then why can't I use this here? I really like you can achieve real nice effects real fast. Just a second. Alright, cool. Yeah, a friend of mine joined in. So we can do the stream together. Sorry about that I needed to leave. But yeah, Quixel actually has some cool things as well. I enjoyed that too. But I haven't ever worked with it. I need to check it out. I used to start working with a texturing program called Mari. That was pretty nice as well. I need the size and I need the spacing. No spacing. Your follow sound is off, I think. Ooh, did you follow us? I'm sorry about that. I missed it. Thanks a lot for that. That really means a lot to us. Like, high five for that. High five for that. What's up with that? But this thingy, the hardness. Need more hardness on this. How come I can't edit these? Because that's the inside. Yeah, that's the inside. Okay. This is where that, and there was a specific other one for some other things, right? Yeah. Let's just add that there. Yeah, I thought like it felt like a mask. It's more trendy. Yeah, like it's kind of like an industry thing, I think, that a lot of people just keep talking about this now, and it just like it's a business, you know. And I don't know, they give me a lot of free material, so I really like it. Yeah, yeah. It was I was trying to do that on a different layer that I actually wanted to. But now I can do this. Now I can do this at least. Ooh! Now I heard it. Thanks a lot for that follow, guys. Really means a lot to me. Who was this? Who was this amazing person? That too. Thanks a lot for the follow. Means a lot to me. Let me just check that out. So another reason for getting a new computer, which is pretty cool, is that my computer is currently pretty slow. It like, not that it's bad or anything, but like sometimes it's annoying. Like I want to just show you guys something faster or just do certain things like a bit faster or whatever, and I just can't do that. So that's gonna come in real handy. Gonna come in real handy. Real smooth. Artbasio. Thanks, man, for the follow. Thanks a lot, guys. High five. Thanks a lot for all you other people who are already watching. That means really a lot to me. That's amazing. We recently been, actually, not recently, last week, after all the streams and stuff, I got a notification on Twitch that we've been invited to be an affiliate. So that's pretty cool. Thanks a lot for all you guys like joining in and watching our stuff. That's crazy love, guys. I appreciate that a lot. Just a bit of this, a bit more, and then I'll take it away as well, just so it looks a bit like scratched and stuff. And now let's do a white color, just a tiny bit, just like that. Take that away a bit. Just at certain parts I want it to be more. Okay, got this. So what do you guys do? Artbasio, what kind of stuff do you do? We don't, like where I work, we don't use Mari, just Substance. Substance is like, they also have really nice and flexible payment plans. Not that I have one for now. Like now I think I only have a license for Maya LT. That's the only thing that I have like really subscribed to. I have an indie license for the for all the Substance materials. That's kind of it's kind of neat. I like it. I can have up to a certain amount of revenue or something like that, and then I need to like get a better license or some shit like that. So for now I'm okay, but I'm starting to see like all the new updates, and I really want to join in on the bandwagon of that kind of stuff. So this is gonna be okay like that. But the paint, just gonna add like a little bit. I don't want it to be too noticeable or anything. Kind of like this. So it's kind of really nice. I'm a CG generalist. I used to work on a 3D, 2D Netflix show right now, and I work on 2D cartoons. Dude, wow, I feel honored. That's crazy. I haven't done stuff on that kind of scale. That's cool. Thanks a lot for joining in, man. Like, I really appreciate that. By the way, if any of you guys want to share your portfolios or anything, you can just drop a link here. I don't mind that at all. If you want to share your stuff. And the thing is that now I like this a bit better. How this looks like, I like this a bit better now. This is neat. What do you guys think? I think this is pretty okay. But I turned off some other layers here and there, I think. What is this green stuff? Super outdated, my portfolio. I can drop you mine. You can check that out if you want to. But I haven't updated it that much. I haven't updated, like most of my work is not even there, but I can just drop a link for you as well if you guys want to check it out. Recently made some cool stuff. But other than that, not really. Not really. But hey, just some scratches, come on. But yeah, in general, I think Substance is pretty legit. Let's rotate this guy. Kinda like that. Just a bit of that. Just a bit of this scratch stuff. Alright. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. I've been starting to get more of those kind of compliments, and I've been trying to work hard on that. Like, at least on certain things that I do, I try working on that. Just developing certain of my own taste, you know, here and there. It's not too much, but thank you for that. It really means a lot to me, man. Alright, so I'm gonna copy these textures now to Unity. Let's check out how it looks like. Because I want this to be more subtle when it's... Yeah, it is a bit more subtle. Like, at least it blends better with everything, but still it's kind of a bit too much, perhaps. Kind of a bit too much, I think. Just a tiny bit, little bits, like 20%. But then the door is not that chipped off. But that's okay, I guess, right? I can actually add some, let's take a cotton brush, and let's just like do some white parts here. But yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. That's like, this is amazing. Think about the object history, how much time it has passed since it has been made. A lot of time. A lot of time. That's what I'm thinking, like in school no one really cares. So I want to just a little bit, I'm gonna take a bit of that off. Could add a little bit on the edges there as well. Because this seems too much from one side, I think. The red wouldn't be that bright. Alright. That's true. You're right. You're right. So, okay, let's do a bit. If it like... It's a bit darker. Kind of like this. But the inside is the same now. But that's alright, I can just color pick that. Alright. Let's save that, export this. Just let's check this out. Fong. Export this guy. Alright. So today's stream is kind of like a bit shorter than usual. I've been doing a lot of order stuff, and like I've been doing so much research about the PC that I'm gonna get. So I wanted a specific CPU, and I found like the new i9 series that came out. I wanted that kind of CPU, and so the motherboard that I picked supports all i9 processors except the one that I picked, and I was just like, what the fuck? So it's either a different kind of motherboard or a different kind of CPU, and I got a better CPU. And I'm real happy about the choice that I made. So next week, guys, next week or something like that. Hold on, like check Twitter, That's gonna be there for sure. Either I'm gonna show like how it looks like or something, or now it looks real bad. Yeah. Ooh, that's actually a nice color. But this is what I did now. This is just terrible. And I want it kind of to be bright. that it's like, so it's kind of new, but all the kids take a lot of abuse on it. That's like one of the things that I want to have. But I like this this red tone that you gave me now. Let's make it a bit brighter, just a tiny bit, maybe. Yeah, just leave it like this. That's nice. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. This is a good example for used lockers. I like that color. Really like that color. This kind of orange kind of ish. Let's save this. And maybe I can just do an intro of tomorrow's stuff. They're also made from metal. You need a knife to make those kind of scratches and get through the paint. Like, yeah, exactly. That's the cool part of the game. Like, everyone's fucking crazy in this school, so they really use all kinds of weird stuff. They hit each other with things and other stuff. With things and stuff, dude. Do you like things and stuff? Okay. This is actually something that I like. It's kind of subtle. Looks nice. What do you guys think? It starts actually looking more like school as well. So that's neat. Let me just copy those post-its as well. To the other side a bit. Bow. Let me do a twist on this guy. Something like that. Ooh. What if I parent these? Oh my goodness, so hard to like pick just those post-its. This post-it and that post-it, or this post-it? Fuck this. Funny, right? I mean, I can't even like. Okay, I'm gonna put this at the top here, and this one also at the top here. Nice. And the door. And I'm gonna. Which door was that now? This door. I'm gonna remember that. Was it this door? Oh, nice. And local. Why is it? And at the pivot point. This is pretty nice. I like this. Yeah. Nice. So they don't really give a shit. Like, they just keep scratching stuff. They throw stuff. They have tasers. People can get a taser in the school. So it's like reckless kids, dude. It's reckless kids fucking everywhere. And copy this once more. Pop, pop. So yeah, this is like what we did today. This is pretty cool stuff. Thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. I mean, like, or maybe we can keep going with something. I could make a clip or some kind of stuff. No, I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow, because tomorrow is gonna be animation, and I hope that's gonna be real fun. What are we cooking today? How cool is that? Oh my god, I like that. Alright guys, thanks a lot for joining in today. That really means a lot to me that all of you guys are here. Also, thanks a lot for the new followers, Zan2622 and Artbasio. Add me as a friend, so I would love to keep watching. Of course, man. Here you go. Here you go. I really appreciate that, dude. Like, I think you're gonna be able to also give a lot of good feedback, and that really means a lot to me here in this stream. So we did all the posters and post-its, and even made a small poster, and made some more post-its. No, I don't want to quit this. But yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in. Really means a lot to me. Make sure you hit that follow button. Also check out the links in the description. You can follow us on Twitter, where I put most of our news there. And ooh, more new followers. Who followed? Who followed? Who followed? I want to see. I want to see, because I can't see it anywhere. It's like either play of the world game. Ooh, okay, cool. Thanks a lot, man. And also Eruption Talks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for you guys to join in today. It means a lot to me. And just like I said, stay positive. And I'll see you tomorrow around the same time. I'm gonna start a bit earlier because today I had to do the computer stuff. But other than that, nothing is really holding me back. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for being here, and I'll see you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye. Stay positive, guys. Like, it's gonna be okay. Here's a high five for free. Bye, guys.